Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
Designing a small kitchen presents a unique set of challenges and opportunities. The limited space requires a strategic approach to ensure that functionality, efficiency, and aesthetics are all optimized. By carefully planning every element from layout to storage, color schemes to lighting, it is possible to create a kitchen that is both stylish and practical, maximizing the available space without compromising on design. One of the foundational principles of small kitchen design is the efficient use of space. This begins with the layout. The layout of a kitchen significantly impacts how easy it is to navigate and use the space. In a small kitchen, the goal is to create a layout that allows for smooth movement and easy access to all areas. The most common and effective layouts for small kitchens are the galley, L-shaped, and U-shaped designs. A galley kitchen consists of two parallel countertops with a walkway in between. This layout is ideal for narrow spaces as it makes use of both walls for storage and work surfaces. An L-shaped kitchen places the countertops along two adjacent walls, creating a natural triangle between the sink, stove, and refrigerator, which is known as the kitchen work triangle. This layout is excellent for maximizing corner spaces and can open up one side of the kitchen, making the area feel more spacious. The U-shaped kitchen, which uses three walls for counters and storage, provides ample workspace and storage options but can feel cramped if not properly planned. To avoid this, ensuring adequate aisle space is crucial. Maximizing storage in a small kitchen is paramount. Every inch counts, and innovative storage solutions can make a significant difference. Vertical storage is one effective strategy. Utilizing the full height of the walls for cabinets and shelves can dramatically increase storage capacity. High cabinets can be used for items that are not needed frequently, freeing up lower, more accessible spaces for everyday essentials. Open shelving is another option that can create a sense of openness while providing easy access to dishes, cookware, and other kitchen items. Combining open shelves with closed cabinets can strike a balance between aesthetics and practicality, offering both display space and hidden storage. The choice of colors and materials plays a crucial role in creating the illusion of a larger space. Light colors tend to make a room feel bigger and more open. Whites, creams, pastels, and light grays are popular choices for small kitchens. These colors reflect light, enhancing the sense of space. However, incorporating darker colors through accents or a feature wall can add depth and contrast, preventing the kitchen from feeling too sterile. Glossy and reflective surfaces can also amplify light and create a sense of spaciousness. High-gloss cabinet finishes, glass tiles, and stainless steel appliances reflect light, making the kitchen appear larger. Additionally, opting for transparent or glass elements, such as glass front cabinets or a glass backsplash, can further open up the space. Lighting is another key element in small kitchen design. Proper lighting can make a significant difference in how spacious and inviting the kitchen feels. Natural light is the best option, so if possible, maximizing windows or installing skylights can flood the kitchen with daylight. For artificial lighting, a combination of ambient, task, and accent lighting is essential. Ambient lighting provides overall illumination, while task lighting focuses on specific work areas like countertops, sinks, and stoves. Under-cabinet lighting is particularly useful in small kitchens, as it eliminates shadows and highlights the workspace. Accent lighting can be used to highlight design features or add a decorative touch. Lastly, keeping a small kitchen organized is essential to maintaining its functionality and aesthetic appeal. Regular decluttering and organizing can prevent the accumulation of unnecessary items that can make the space feel cramped. Using organizers for drawers and cabinets, keeping countertops clear, and ensuring that everything has its place can help maintain a tidy and efficient kitchen. In conclusion, designing a small kitchen involves a thoughtful balance of form and function. By carefully considering the layout, maximizing storage, choosing the right colors and materials, optimizing lighting, incorporating smart technology, and reflecting personal style, it is possible to create a kitchen that is both stylish and practical. The key is to make the most of the available space, ensuring that every element contributes to the overall efficiency and aesthetic of the kitchen. With careful planning and creative solutions, even the smallest kitchen can be transformed into a beautiful and functional heart of the home. As we come to the end of today's video, I hope you found some inspiration and ideas for your own interior design projects. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips, tricks, and creative solutions for transforming your space. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments below which design element you liked the most. Stay tuned for our next video, and until then, happy decorating!